As a community radio station, we try and give the same weight and importance to every programme that we broadcast. And we try to be proud of every programme that we do. And that's, of course, a diverse range of about 100 new programmes each week. And we want to make sure that each programme has the same amount of publicity and marketing, especially from our sort of core team, really. But we also know that each person has their own kind of relationships, their own friends, their own people that they know. And we want to actually empower people to be able to do their own marketing publicity for their programme. We'll do some centrally as a staff team, but we want people to be able to use social media for their own programme, and also to use social media generally, because I think for some people, especially some of our younger volunteers, it's what they do. And there's always a new type of social media that they're introducing me to, each week. But for some other people, it's not. It's something they know about, but they're not really confident in using it, or they're not confident in how to use it for their programme. So what we want to do is make sure that it's an opportunity that all our volunteers can have for their own personal development as well as for their programme development as well. So for that reason, we've actually going to do some workshops and for people to feel much more confident about using social media for themselves, but also for their programme publicity.
So we're going to run a how-to Twitter, basically. So basically we're going to set people up with accounts, and then run through, this is how you act, this is a hashtag, this is how you can follow people, this is what people use Twitter for. So we're basically trying to get more and more people in BCB using social media to interact with what we do social media already in the organisation, but also to add to that. So kind of, if you consider it sort of a spider thing, we will still be doing our major social media responsibilities, but people will be interacting with us, and our presenters will build wider networks for us and through us. And basically how people can utilise Twitter for their programmes, and not necessarily publicising, but to organise interviews, to interact with people along the same interest, to basically get people involved with the capabilities of social media, and just really try and push that as an organisation.